at home. Let us start our math class.
Children, here is a story. See, the story name is Help the Poor and Needy. There is a boy, Revant. Once he went to his grandparents' house in a village Ramapuram on Sankranti holidays. His grandfather decided to donate clothes and money to the poor and needy. Grandfather asked Revant's father to count the number of poor and needy people in that village. Revant's father listed in this way: men 135, women 57. Total how many people were there, children? Can you tell me? What to do to get the total number of people? Yes, we need to add number of men and number of women. The total is 192. Finally, Revant's grandfather served 192 people.
Now you are in the chapter of addition and subtraction. These two topics, addition and subtraction, you have learnt in the previous class, third class. Now you are going to do the addition and subtraction of numbers with the more number of digits.
Today we are going to discuss about addition. Addition is putting things together or gathering things. See here the terminology of addition. The numbers which we are adding are called addends. Here two numbers we are adding, addend 1, addend 2. Okay. Here the answer is called sum or total. If you add more than two numbers, we can give as addend 3, addend 4 and so on. This is about addition. Let us see the rules of addition. Rules are nothing but properties. When you change the order of the numbers being added, the sum does not change. For example, 25 plus 11 is equal to 36. See the sum of these two numbers, 11 plus 25. It is also equal to 36. Here the order of the numbers changed even though the sum remains same. Now see the second one. The sum of any number and 0 is that same number. For example, see here 305 plus 0. Here we are not adding anything. So the sum is 305, the number itself. Okay. If you add 0 to any number, the sum is the number itself.
Now see the recap exercise. In this, the first example is this one. We have to find the sum of 178 and 742. We'll start addition from ones place. 8 plus 2 is 10, right? 0 in the ones place and 1 in the tens place here. Okay. Now come to tens place. Add here 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. And the sum is here in the tens place. So tens and hundreds. Right? 1 in the hundreds place, 2 in the tens place. Okay. Come to hundreds place. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. So sum of these two numbers is 920. Come to the next example. These two are 4-digit numbers. Write the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Come to ones place. Start addition from ones place always. 1 plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. 0 plus 9 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. Sum of these two numbers is 7,936. This is with regrouping. This is without regrouping. These two are examples of addition with regrouping and without regrouping. Additions in exercise 2A. Okay, the first example is 1076 and 386. Two numbers are given. We have to find the sum of these two numbers. Always start addition from ones place. 6 plus 6 is 12. Write 1 in the next place, 2 in the same place. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Write 1 in the next place and 6 in the tens place. Now hundreds place here. We have to find the sum. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Here only 1, no other number. 1 plus nothing, nothing means 0. 1 plus 0 is always 1. What is the sum? Here the sum is 1462. This is adding down. Now we will check our answer whether it is right or wrong in this way. Hundreds, thousands. Here add up. Write the answer at the top. Okay. Start addition from ones place. Here see 6 plus 6. I am going from down to top. 6 plus 6 is 12. Write 1 here in tens place. 2 here in ones place. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16. Write 1 in the next place and 6 in the same place. Okay. Now see the next one. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 write in the same place, 100 place. Now here thousands place. No other digit. Only 1. 1 plus nothing. Nothing means 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Right as it is in thousands place. What is the sum here? 1462. Here also 1462. Both are same. So our sum is right. See this next example. Here two 5-digit numbers are given. How to find the sum of 5-digit numbers? You will see this. First arrange the numbers according to their places. Write this number and write down the next number. It is also having same number of digits. So write. This is the arrangement of numbers in addition. What is the symbol for addition? Plus. Write the places first. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. TTH I am writing here. Now start addition from ones place. 6 plus 7 is 13. Write 1 in the next place and leave the same place. Here 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. Now come to hundreds place. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 write in next place and 1 write in same place. Come to thousands place. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Now come to 10,000s place. Here 3 plus 1 is 4. What is your sum, children? 48,123. Okay. Now we will check our answer whether it is right or wrong. How we did this addition? We did from top to down. Let us check our answer by adding up. 7 plus 6 is 13. Write 1 here, 3 here. And next 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 3 plus 8 is 11. Write 1 here and 1 here. Now 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Right here. 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay. What is the sum here? 48,123. See here. Both are same. So by adding down and by adding up, we are getting the same answer. So our answer 48,123 is the right answer. See this next Roman, add, check. Here the first example is given like this. We have to find the sum of these three numbers. Okay, start addition from ones place. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 9, 24. Write 2 here and 4 here. Okay, now add here. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. Write 1 here in the hundreds place. 7 in the tens place. Now here in hundreds place, this number is not having any digit, and here also. So we have to add these two. 1 plus 1 is 2. What is the sum of these three numbers? 274. Not only adding, we have to check answer by adding up. See here. The same numbers arranged like this. Now we have to write the answer here. Now write the places first. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 8, 24. So 2 in the tens place, 4 in the ones place. Now come to here. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Write 1 here in the hundreds place, 7 in tens place. Now come to hundreds place. Here and here there is no digit. Okay. Now add these two numbers. 1 plus 1 is 2. Write in the hundreds place. What is the sum? 274. The same sum. Both are same. So here our answer is right. This is the way of checking. By adding down and by adding up, we got the same answers. Down and by adding up, we got the same answers. This is the way of checking in additions. See this next example. Write the places, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. We'll start addition from ones place. And here are we observing these are 4 digit numbers. 3 numbers addition. We are adding 3 numbers here also. Start from here. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. Write 1 in tens place, 4 in ones place. Here 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 how will we write? 1 in hundreds place, 7 in tens place. Here in the hundreds place, 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. Write 2 in the thousands place, 6 in the hundreds place. Okay. Now see here thousands place. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 right in the thousands place. What is the sum children here? It is 9674. Okay. Now we will come to the checking. Add up. Where do we write answer? Here we have to write the answer. Write the places ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay. Now see here. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. Write 1 here and 4 here. Now go to the next place. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Write 1 here and 7 here. Now see here. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 8 is 25. 25 plus 1, 26. 2 right here, 6 right here. Now check here. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 right in thousands place. What is the sum here? 9674. Here also the same. So this sum is right answer. Okay. See this one more example. First write the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Okay. Addition start from ones place.
5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18.
Here and 8 here. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 2 right here, 0 right here. 2 plus 1 here, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7 right here. And 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 is double digit number, write 1 here and 4 here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Here no digit. Here the sum is 54,708. Now come to here. We have to check the answer, whether it is right or wrong. Let us check. From down, 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. Write 1 here and 8 here. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 2, 19. 19 plus 1, 20. Write 2 here, 0 here. And 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3 is 7. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. Right, 14. 1 here and 4 here. Now 2 here no digit. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Here the sum is 54,708. These two answers are same. So this is the right answer. Okay.
Let us see the number story.
Charles Babbage was invented first mechanical computer in the year 1822. After 149 years, email was invented. In which year email was invented? Right solution for this number story. First we will write the statements from the given number story. The first one is the year in which the first mechanical computer was invented. In which year? 1822. Okay. Next, after 149 years, email was invented. Email was invented after 149 years. What we have to find? We have to find in which year email was invented. We have to find the year in which email was invented. In which year? We have to add 1822 and 149. We'll add 1822 and 149. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 8 plus 1 is 9 and 1. Email was invented in 1971. Email was invented in the year 1971. Let us do one activity on calendar. See this calendar. Here I selected 3 rows and 3 columns. In each row there are consecutive numbers. See here 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17. Now the middle number is here 9. See here 15 and 3. If you add these two opposite numbers, opposite corners numbers, you get 18. If you add 1 plus 17, sum is 18. If you add 8 plus 10 is, it is also 18. If you add 2 plus 16, that is 18. See, if you add 9 plus 9, if you double the middle number, you will get 18. Now, if you multiply the middle number by 9, you will get the sum of these numbers. Here the middle number is 9, so multiply by 9. 9 9s 81. So, that 81 is also equal to sum of all these numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17, that is equal to 81.